Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble in bubble gum full guide. Start with a soft, fresh piece of gum and chew for about 2 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Flatten the gum with your tongue to create a thin sheet roughly 3-5 inches across. Cup your lips slightly, hold a pocket of air with your tongue, and gently push the air forward to form the bubble. Practice breath control to avoid popping. Choose gum specifically labeled for blowing bubbles and pick a soft variety for best stretch. Warm the gum in your mouth by chewing slowly for about 90 seconds until it feels pliable and glossy. Use your tongue to form a small pocket of air, then press gently while pushing with your tongue to expand the bubble. Keep lips rounded and relaxed, and practice short, steady breaths to build larger, stable bubbles. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you see more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The simple path to wealth is shown here and pairs humorously with bubble basics. If you want the link, check the description for the book and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. If your bubble pops too early, check for dry spots and add saliva to soften the gum. Avoid over-chewing, which makes gum brittle. Restart with a fresh piece if it loses elasticity. To patch small tears, press gum edges together gently and blow slowly to test the seal. Record yourself to watch technique and try different brands to learn stretch differences and ideal chew time. Be patient and celebrate small wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.